Hi guys, welcome to Slime Villages. I just want to say thank you so much for the new subscribers. I'm so honored. In today's video, I'm reviewing yet another underrated Etsy slime shop. Here we have BoomSlimes on Etsy. So I ordered these slimes on January 7th and I got the package on January 11th. Took 4 days for it to come to my house. Super fast shipping, especially coming from a different state. I kind of feel like it's the fastest shipping I've ever gotten coming from a different state. I'm super amazed. And right when I opened the box, I just see BoomSlimes. I feel like that is like super like nice to have, just to see like literally right off the slime shop that you ordered from, and revealed you see my slimes and the extras. Thank you so much, BoomSlimes. So right off the bat, you can see some of the extras that the slime shop included. I ordered 5 slimes, and oh my gosh, the slime shop BoomSlimes included an extra 8 ounce. I'm super happy and thankful. Thank you so much, BoomSlimes. I just am gonna spoil it right now. All your slimes are amazing. So for the extras, I received a bag of popping candy. We have the sour pebble pops, and also a small extra baggie, which included 2 baggies of borax and 2 pineapple hard candy. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the free gift, the extra slime that I received. Thank you so much. It's sugar cookie jelly. I love how there's a warning label on the side of the slime, and it comes with a sealed like plastic for the lid, which is extra protection and super nice. This slime is a jelly slime, as you can see, and let me just say, I have never felt a jelly slime like this. This is probably the best texture for a jelly slime. The reason for that is because it's super thick. It's like not like sticky or anything. And also when you inflate it, it doesn't get all tacky or sticky. And the bubble pops are amazing. I totally recommend um, the shop's jelly slimes. Next up, we have Skittle Milk. It is a thick and glossy slime with pastel foam beads on top. It's scented just like Skittles. It smells like sweet and sour. It smells really nice. This slime is thick. It definitely is thick. Like the base is thick. It's very nice for thwocks and clicks and bubble pops. It stretches really nicely, and overall, I just love this slime. So this slime is Fudge Brownie Cloud. It is a dark brown cloud slime, and it came with a chocolate bar charm. This slime is scented exactly like brownies. It smells delicious. Like I would eat it, but I know slime is not edible, so don't eat slime. Also, this texture is like no other. It is another cloud slime that I love. Uh, there's barely any residue on the table. It does leave a little snow residue on the fingers, but that's completely normal for cloud slime. It's super drizzly and I just love it. Here's another thick and glossy slime that I purchased. It's Santa Milk. It is a Christmas themed slime, but to be honest, Christmas can be any time of year. It doesn't only have to be in December. So this slime came with some add-ins. We got some green and red sprinkles with some green and red foam beads and also a Santa charm. This slime already had some foam beads and sprinkles in the slime base, but I was able to add a little bit more and I love that. This texture is super thick. I feel like it's more thicker than Skittle milk. So I actually really like this. It's super holdable and it smells just like Christmas, kind of like Christmas cookies. Birthday cake batter fudge is a butter slime with sprinkles to add in, but it also already has sprinkles in the base. So this slime has a lot of sprinkles, which I love. It is scented exactly like vanilla frosting. It smells super delicious. The sweet scents literally get to me. I love sweet scents. This slime is super nice to spread, inflate, and swirl. It just feels like actual vanilla frosting. I 100% recommend this. I think it's still in BoomSlimes shop, so definitely go snatch it. Here we have the last slime. Chewed up bubblegum is a very thick clay slime scented just like bubblegum. It smells so nice. It has a perfect texture. It feels just like bubble gum and it makes perfect swirls. It stretches very nicely and it does inflate, so get that extra container ready. Overall, I love this slime and I definitely recommend it. If it's still in Boom Slime shop, go snatch it before it's gone. So those are all the slimes that I purchased from BoomSlimes on Etsy. Such an underrated slime shop. Definitely go buy from this shop. Totally recommend it. I bought all these slimes, $7.87 for an 8 ounce each. So each slime costed $7.87. You also get free shipping when you purchase $35 or more. So I definitely recommend it. Thank you guys so much for everything. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please suggest other slime shops you want me to review. Thank you so much and bye.